Easy peasy, lemon squeezy squeegee. From envy, your eyes is gleamy, kiwi, and I'ma see you win, see you then. To all you hungry brothers, I'll feed you phlegm. Pulsey, eat you out, then eat you in. See you now, I'll see you then. See me when? I told you I'll see you then. Everything I spit's ulcers that bleed through skin. I'm good to go, so my deceitful grin is the prelude's point before the needles end. You couldn't be nice as me if you was my evil twin. You think you fat? Fuck that. I see you then. I'm something you could order, but nothing to take out. Disgusting mud water. Children of the dam break out. Say grace before you say face. I display disgrace and dig deep in the crates. After one square meal on a circle plate, I call a spade for a spade and cut it up with an ace. Pop eyes when you olive oil, extra virgin. And every cold cut, what? I'm a texture surgeon. Rosemary's Baby's gravy. My homeboy Sage, chamomile on the Maxon journey with Rays. In the money phase, you hams get honey glazed. Cause you can't make an omelet without breaking the egg. Catch me in Boston, flossing, baking beans. My subtext outright, the revolution is dream. You got an anti-pop CD, but don't know beans. I'm 5-star fresh to death, all city team. That's not my cup of tea, but I'll take a bottle of ginseng and massage the beat until the unhappy ending. When I see you win, I'll see you thin. To all you hungry brothers, I'll feed you phlegm. Everything I spit's kosher, like Hebrew phlegm. See you now? Nah, I'll see you thin. Battle me in your down jacket, I'll cook your goose. Cool as a cucumber or mint jaloo. You dine on the lie with pie in the sky. Plus you a biter, that's why it's crust in your eye. Salt in your wound and sugar in your tank. I'll eat you alive and dead the bank. Cut your forked tongue out and spoon your misses. Then walk on your eggshells and doom your chicken. Before you break fast, make sure you got the biscuit, or your ass is toast with the swiftness. Your little mozzarella sticks ain't worth the dipping. I'm Jamaican, you faking, jerking chicken. Fuck a bun in the oven. My dick is a 45, son. I'll put a gun in your woman. Go ahead and grill me, you know you don't want it. I'm the big cheese. Your eyes is bigger than your stomach, you whack as hell. I'll crack your shell, pistachio. And as for these chips, bitch, they nachos. I'm the real top chef, hate on me like Marcel. And I'll pat your back with an axe like John Well. Done. You not from Queens. In the dirty South, I'll pop your collard greens. Eat the whole big apple like a greedy Irish. Fuck you chili dogs, my fat cat tracks his livest. On my grind like nutmeg for Jack Cheddar. Your girl be grinding my fresh black pepper. Some food for thought was nice head. Wow, that was the best thing since sliced bread. Ow. When you was crying over spilled milk, killer and stress that. She was just getting my vanilla extract. You're the couch potato, I'm the creme de la creme. On the quest like Johnny Sim Salabim. When I see you win, see you then. To all you hungry brothers, I'll feed you phlegm. Pulsey, eat you out, then eat you in. See you now, I'll see you then. See me when? I told you I'll see you then. Everything I spit's ulcers that bleed through skin. I'm good to go, so my deceitful grin is the prelude's point before the needles end. Begin, on guard, touche, off the head, toupee, nuts enough to keep away Robert Goulet. I'm the cream of the crop. Put a beam on the cop, pull the emergency brake and make the gravy train stop. New York, how you like them rotten apples? One sharp cookie, just my ginger snaps to stab you. When the club is packed like sardines, I saute you on stage, blaze and make the windows steam. The rest is gravy, don't test C-Razy. Forget candy, I'll take breast milk from your baby. From Amarula Grassi to Rachel Ray, I rep BK and bam your face. Kick circle lines and fruit the punch. Spill the Pintos and make you lose your lunch. I told you my freestyle eats my written and beats your written. That's right, the beast is spitting, table scraps.